All right, so this is a pretty standard finding limits graphically type of problem. And so basically I'm going to show you how to basically walk through each of these problems, and hopefully this makes a little bit more sense. All right, this first one here is f of -2. So this is actually not really involving anything with calculus because it doesn't involve limits. So the f of -2 would just be whatever value the function is at -2. So if you go to where x is equal to -2, so x is -2 right here, you're looking at what value the function is. What's the y at when x is equal to -2? Now you can see there's an asymptote here. So that means that this one right here, f of -2, would be undefined. So I'm just going to write undefined in here. Okay, so that one's just basically finding the value of y for a certain x. Okay, this next one right here, it's what's the limit of f of x as x gets closer to -2. So we're going to be approaching from the right side first, and then we're going to go to the left. So we're approaching from the right here. You can see that it goes up to positive infinity on this side, and here it goes down to negative infinity. So this one would be does not exist. Okay, the next one, it says x, it's a limit of f of x as x is approaching -2, but it's from the negative side, so it's from the left side. So if we're approaching from the left side here, you can see it's going down to negative infinity. So the answer for this one would be negative infinity, because again, you're just approaching from this side. You can see it goes down forever. There should probably be an arrowhead on this, but we're just going to assume that it's there. Okay, the next one, D, it says f of 0. So you're just going to look for where x is 0 right here. Okay, you would not count the whole here, but you would count this part right here, and the y value for this one would be 4. So for D, the answer would be 4. Okay, the next one, what is the limit of f of x as x gets closer to 0? So we're going to approach from the right, it's 4. If we're approaching from the left, it's about 1/2. Since they don't match on both sides, the limit does not exist. Okay, it says f of 2, so we're going to go where x is 2. X is 2 right here. The f is actually not defined there, so we would just write undefined. Okay, now I put an equal sign up here. I probably shouldn't have done that, but some teachers want you to have it there, some teachers don't. I really don't care either way. Either way, it's undefined. Okay, this one, the limit of f of x is that x approaches 2 from both sides. So from the right side, it looks like it's 1/2. From the left side, it's 1/2 as well. So g would be equal to 1/2. Okay, for h, it's the limit of f of x as x approaches 0 from the left side. So we're approaching from the left side here. Okay, so it ends up being 1/2 again. Okay, f of 4, well, here's 4 right here. Where the function is actually defined is right here. So that looks like it would be 2. Okay, limit of f of x as x approaches 4 from both sides. Okay, so from the left side, it looks like we're going to positive infinity. From the right side, it looks like we're going to positive infinity. So they match on both sides for positive infinity. So this is just going to be infinity. Okay, and k, the limit of f of x as x approaches 0 from the right side. So we're approaching from the right side of 0 right here. It looks like it's 4. Okay, so if you have any questions about anything in this video, let me know.